Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to a bank account. So first, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. If you're looking for that, I truly apologize. I cannot log in at Venmo at the moment. I'm outside the US. So how to transfer money from Venmo to a bank account? So all you need to do is simply go to your Venmo app and click on the Me tab. You'll find it at the bottom right corner of your Venmo interface. Then, of course, once you do so, let's just follow this so you don't get confused. Then you can click on simply on add or transfer button and their wallet. Some users, of course, may see manage. So you'll have to enter or edit the amount that you want to transfer from Venmo to your bank account. Of course, that if you already have a bank account linked to your Venmo. If you don't have it linked, of course, you'll need some basic requirements first for transfer before you can transfer money from Venmo to a bank account. You'll need to add your bank account, as we said, to Venmo. And we strongly recommend verifying your bank account before initializing or initiating a transfer, as this will help ensure that your transfers are sent to the right place. And Venmo is not responsible for lost transfers to a bank resulting from incorrectly entered bank credentials. So if you already added it, of course, and verify it, as we said, we'll have to do that. Go to a Me tab, add or transfer, go to enter wallet. Some users may see manage and click on enter or edit the amount that you wanted to transfer. Then select if you want to transfer it instantly or you want to wait from 1 to 3 business days. What's the difference? Instantly, you'll have to pay a 1% fees from the amount that you are sending. So if you're sending $100, you will pay a $1 fee. And of course, it's capped at $10. So the maximum that you're going to pay is $10, even if you send more than 1,000. Or if you want it to be free, you can wait from 1 to 3 business days for the transaction to be done. And of course, you can add any notes, confirm the transfer by clicking on transfer button, and you should be good to go. Of course, you can do that also on the browser. You'll have to log in into your account, then go to transfer balance, or just simply click in this link right away if you are in this article. Do the same that you did here and you should be good to go. Of course, if you want to know how to add your bank account, I've already made a video about it. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.